Introduction of poet Jagannath Das is well known in every household as one of the famous poets of the Panchasakha era of Odia literature. He is also famous as Bhagavatkar. He is adorned with the title of Athibadu. He was born in the 15th century. He was born in Kapileswara in Puri district. He is remembered for being the first to use standard language in Odia literature. His compositions Odia Bhagavata, Artha Koili, Uddhava Janana, Kaliya Dalana, Gupata Gita, Harini Stuti, Bhulamana Bhulu Kahinki, Pahanti Avakasa, and Hathi Jhulaire are some of his poems, hymns, and short poems. The meaning of the poem Varsha. The verse Varsha is taken from the 21st chapter of the 10th skanda of the Bhagavata. It beautifully describes the beauty of the earth at the arrival of the rainy season and the importance of the rainy season. After the scorching summer, the rainy season comes. This season is the best of all seasons because at this time the earth is full of crops. The clouds gather in the sky with thunder and lightning. Seeing the sorrow of the earth, they give water with a heart of satisfaction. The clouds roar and shower water with a heart of great noise. The life of living beings is water. No one can live without water. Therefore, the rain gives water with a heart of love. The surface of the earth is heated by the rays of the sun for 8 months. Everyone is pleased with the receipt of water, just as an ascetic obtains fruit after a long period of severe penance. Similarly, the inhabitants of the earth are happy to receive water after suffering the heat of the sun for 8 months. When the rainy season comes, the earth is surrounded by insects. Frogs croak in the water on hearing the sound of the clouds. The rivers are filled with rain water. The earth is covered with crops of various kinds. Umbrella-like plants bloom, and the earth appears like a king. Peacocks dance on the mountain peaks. Looking at the clouds, the devotees are delighted to see them. Now, let us move forward to see the performance of the students reading in class 6A OAV Begana. Super.